Hello, I'm Mr. Juan and this is Strumming Through the Americas. So today what we're going to learn is, now that we know all these different strumming patterns and melodies and songs, we're going to learn how to play soft and loud, okay? So this is really important because it helps give the music shape. So what we're going to do is we're going to just practice on one chord. Let's pick the C chord, which is the simplest one. And we're going to play just the Samba strumming pattern, which is down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. But what we're going to do is we're going to play one repeat of it soft and one repeat of it loud. So soft, soft, down, 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 up, down, loud. Soft. Loud. And so on. Try to do it for a long time until you get control with your right hand. Okay, that's it for this week. See ya. Bye bye.